Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to find a Telegram channel link. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips and tutorials. Step 1. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Ensure you're logged into your account. Step 2. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and type the name of the channel you're looking for. Step 3. Once the search results appear, find the channel you want and tap on it to open the channel. Step 4. In the channel interface, look towards the top of the screen. You'll see the channel name and an image next to it. Tap on the channel image. Step 5. This will take you to the channel's profile. Here, look for the edit icon, usually located near the top right corner. Tap on it. Step 6. In the Edit section, scroll down until you see the Invite Link option. Tap on it and you'll see the channel's invite link. Step 7. Now tap the Share icon or option next to the invite link. A menu will appear with different sharing options. From here, you can copy the link and share it wherever you need. And that's it. You've successfully found the link to a Telegram channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.